Hello everyone, today I'm sharing two budget-friendly dishes I came up with each under 10 yuan. They are cheap, healthy, super tasty, and really simple to make. Let's get cooking together. First up, baby cabbage and tofu pot. Here's what you will need. Total budget 8 yuan. Start by lining the pot with baby cabbage leaves. And a block of tofu and break it into chunks with a spoon. Beat 1 egg and pour it evenly over the tofu. Throw in some pan-fried ham or sausage. Let it simmer over low heat for 3 minutes. In the same bowl, mix 1 spoon of soy sauce, half a spoon of oil, half a spoon of salt, and 2 spoons of water. If you like it spicy, chop up a small chili and add it in. Pour the sauce into the pot and cook for another minute. Finally, sprinkle some chopped green onions on top. And that's it! Your baby cabbage and tofu pot is ready. It's soft, tender, and just melts in your mouth. You can also enjoy it with rice. Next, let us make egg, mushroom, and tomato soup. The ingredients are simple, and it's also budget friendly. Budget 8.5 yuan. Heat some oil in a pot. Add 1 chopped tomato. Add some salt. Stir fry until the tomato softens and releases its juices. Toss in some gnocchi mushrooms. Pour in a bowl of water. Pour in some soy sauce. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl, then slowly drizzle them into a soup once it starts boiling. Let it cook for 2 more minutes, then finish with chopped green onions. This egg, mushroom, and tomato soup looks absolutely delicious. A tiny and slightly sweet tomato broth with silky smooth eggs. It's light, satisfying, and perfect for a cozy meal. Want more easy and tasty budget recipes? Make sure to follow our channel.